A sustainability report is a report published by a company or organization about the economic, environment, and social impact caused by its everyday activities. A sustainability report also presents the organization values and governance model and demonstrates the link between its strategy and its communicates to sustainable global economy. Why CSR is important? CSR and sustainability report can be caused to achieve both internal and external goals. Internally speaking, CSR reports are the important since they allow companies to estimate the impact of their activities in the environment, on society, and on the economy. Through the details and the meaningful data collected for the CSR reports, companies have a chance to improve their operations and to reduce cost. Not only because they are empowered to optimize and reduce their energy consumption, but also they achieve their value cycles and disposal, which often leads to product innovations or circular economic opportunities. Finally, a collected these data require joint efforts from the different departments employee and up knowing that the company is focusing on CSR and sustainability, which is proven to increase employer restriction and decrease turnover and its cost.
There are many benefits of integrated reporting. The first one is it is more efficient reporting for both users and preparers of reports. The second one is with the help of integrated reporting, the company is able to generate value for the company, shared value and other members, which is the value for the society and environment. Through this, the company is able to increase its social value and reputation within the market, increasing and preserving a long-term increase of value. The third benefit is that the company is able to increase its transparency by providing different types of information and data which is required by its stakeholders. There are many challenges and criticism which is faced by the integrated reporting. The biggest challenge is that of transitioning from traditional method of reporting into integrated method of reporting. This is because the company is able to report its financial performance only, whereas in an integrated reporting there is data and information required by company to be report. The second challenge is that the integrated report structure is very uncertain in nature. This is because every company has its unique way to report, to present its reporting, so that's why it has very uncertain structure.
AGL provides gas and electricity under utility industry. It moved to integrated reporting in 2019, which includes both financial and non-financial information in one report. In 2018, AGL also prepared a separate report called Sustainability Report in accordance with GRI, Global Reporting Initiative. As per GRI, company should report economic, social and environmental activities under sustainability reporting. In comparison to both integrated report and sustainability report, the integrated report discloses information to its shareholders and stakeholders, whereas sustainability report provides basement for a company to make a strong integrated report. The sustainability report of 2018 has addressed the stakeholders separately, while integrated report of 2019 focuses on business value drivers, which are identified under the capitals as identified by IR. The outcome from sustainable reporting and integrated reporting can be evaluated through various stakeholders, environmental and economic aspects like customer, people, economy and environment and other stakeholders. And AGL has made both integrated reporting and sustainability reporting in all those aspects.
I'm going to speak about findings and a comparison between sustainability report and integrated report of AGL. Sustainability report broadly explain how they engage with various stakeholders separately, while integrated report explain how they create value using business value drivers and evaluate performance through key performance indicators. There is a question whether all the stakeholders group with different knowledge levels are able to understand the language used in integrated reporting. AGL has expressed that they received strong feedback from their investors about the integrated reporting, and the key benefit they received from this report was that they able to provide non-financial and financial information for their shareholders. This relates with managerial branch of stakeholder theory that AGL pays special attention on its investors and shareholders. Finally, integrated reporting failed to address all the information requirements for all stakeholders. It is up to the management and strategies of the companies to decide what information they are going to provide for stakeholders under integrated reporting. Thank you.